and I'm honored to be here today representing the voice of young people across Aruba. Thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak about something that truly shapes our future, our growth, our relationships, and our well-being. Today we celebrate the launch of Crece, a digital curriculum for comprehensive sexuality education in primary schools. This program was created through the collaboration of Famia Planea and Crece in the Netherlands. Both proud members of the Global IPPF Federation, an organization dedicated to supporting the healthy development of young people worldwide. As a teenager, I wanted to share why this program matters from a child's perspective. Because we, the young people, are the ones who will actually use it, learn from it, and grow from it. When people hear the term sexuality education, they often think only one part of it. But for us, from the moment we enter primary school, CSC is really about learning who we are. It helps us understand our emotions, friendships, boundaries, respect, and how to communicate better. It teaches us how to treat ourselves and others with kindness and dignity. Crece gives us something every child deserves. A safe, trustworthy, age-appropriate space where we can learn without fear and grow without shame. It gives us confidence, not just to understand changes in our bodies, but to understand our feelings, our identity, and our relationships. I love that this curriculum focuses on personal and relational growth. Growing up isn't only about passing exams or learning new subjects. It's about figuring out who we are becoming, how to deal with our emotions, how to handle conflict, and how to build healthy connections with others. These are skills we need not only for school, but for life. And making it digital makes perfect sense for our generation. We learn through screens, apps, and videos. So having a digital curriculum means every student, no matter where they are or what their background is, can learn in a way that feels natural and accessible. To Famia Planea, thank you for always being a champion for young people here at home. To Crece Netherlands, thank you for sharing your expertise and commitment to youth development. And to IPPF, thank you for bringing organizations like ours together and reminding us that young people everywhere deserve the same opportunities to grow and to thrive. And to my fellow students, I hope that Crece shows you that learning about yourself is powerful. We are allowed to be curious. We are allowed to ask questions. We are allowed to learn at our own pace. And we are allowed to build a future where we trust ourselves and respect each other. I am proud to see Aruba taking this step, not just to help us grow up, but to help us grow with confidence, clarity, and with care. And now for the moment that we've all been waiting for, on behalf of Famia Planea Aruba, Crece Netherlands, and the IPPF Federation, we are excited to officially launch the first ever look at our digital curriculum.